By popular demand, elite monthly and annual subscribers now have the ability to syndicate their InstaView virtual tours directly to a Facebook business page. Chris here with Property Panorama, and in this episode of InstaView Pro Tips, we are going to show you how to set up this automatic syndication feature within your Property Panorama account. The automated syndication feature is accessible on the settings page located on the left-hand menu of your account. You will notice the options for YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, but for this tutorial we are going to select Yes for Facebook pages. You will be prompted to log into your Facebook account or continue as the profile your browser is currently signed into. Please ensure that the account you log in with is associated with the respective Facebook business page, as well as has the proper admin or editor permissions to allow you to post. Next, you will be prompted to select the appropriate business pages you wish to share your virtual tours on. Once you have made the desired selection, click Next and ensure the options to allow Property Panorama to manage your pages, show a list of the pages you manage, and publish as pages you manage are selected as Yes, and click Done. Now, you will receive an acknowledgement screen stating you have successfully linked your Property Panorama account to Facebook. Upon clicking OK, the summary screen shows which Facebook business pages your tours will syndicate to. If this is correct, accept and continue, otherwise cancel and restart the process. Finally, you'll receive a message indicating you have successfully linked your Facebook business pages to post your InstaView virtual tours. Please note, you can renew or revoke your Facebook permissions at any time on the settings page by using the respective options as shown. That concludes this episode of InstaView Pro Tips. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the latest InstaView news and tutorials. Need technical assistance? Feel free to contact our WizKids by phone, live chat, or by emailing support@propertypanorama.com.